Hello, good morning to all.
Good
Very good
morning, sir.
morning. Very good morning. Very good morning, guys. Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. So, we were doing some sums, and who didn't join yet? Who didn't join? Oh, fun, open. Just give me a second. This got glitch. How are you all? Doing good? Do you have any doubt in the questions that I gave?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, just give me a second. Yeah. So, we were doing some questions and you guys have doubts. So, well, oh, okay. So, we'll do that part. Okay. So, yeah, what doubt you have, David?
In question 6 and 7.
Perfect. Perfect. So, we'll do that part. So, you have doubt in question six and question number seven. Let me check. Is this button? Okay. Everyone turn on your camera, please. Please turn on your camera. Start the class. Perfect. Turn on your camera, Pitya, Christiana, Mariklan. Turn on your camera, please. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Come on, quickly, quickly. Okay. So, we were doing, and David has a doubt in question number six and question number seven.
Yes, sir.
David, question number six, we'll do today. Okay, means this is another topic question. And question number seven, you have doubt.
Yes, sir.
Is it like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, question number seven is the same of the previous one which we did.
Yeah, I know. I know what it is wrong. I got stuck at one part.
Got stuck at one part.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So everyone, please see on the board, and we are solving this. A sum of money is invested compounded interest for 9 months at 20% per annum. When interest is compounded half yearly, if the interest were compounded quarterly, it will fetch 210 more than the previous case. Okay. So what is the sum? So we don't know the sum, but we got one idea. The idea is that compounded half yearly and compounded quarterly, they have a difference of 210 rupees. So it means that amount compounded half yearly, which is SA, or we can say compounded H minus no compounded quarterly minus compounded half yearly is gonna be how much? 210 rupees. Did you understand? No. We know that when we are reducing it, like compounded annually, compounded quarterly, these means, okay, so we will get more money, like compound means more. So we got one equation that compounded quarterly minus compounded half yearly is 210. Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no. Now we don't know the principle. We don't know the principle. So we'll take principle as X. Okay. Now rate is 20% per annum. So if I will talking about quarterly, this part is for quarterly. So what the rate it will become, David? What rate it will
5%.
become? 5%. 5% per quarter. Okay. And the time is 9 months. So what is the value of NT?
Uh,
What?
3.
3. Because 3 times, no? So 3. Okay. So I will calculate it. So we have the formula amount is equals to principal into 1 plus R upon 100 into NT. Correct? Say yes or no. So amount is equals to principal is X into 1 plus 5 upon 100 into 3. So amount is equals to X into 105 upon 100 into 3. So I got one value which is amount quarterly, which is 105 upon 100 cube into X. Got it? Say yes or no? Abraham, Christiana, Miraculin, do you do you have any doubt in this, guys?
No, sir.
Okay.
It was
Now we'll
it
talk
was
of
clear.
yes,
Yeah, it was clear because we did the similar kind of summit yesterday.
yes. Now we are talking about the half yearly. So principal will be X as same, but what will be the rate? Abraham, what will be the rate in this case when you're talking about half yearly?
So the rate would be so the rate would be 2.10%.
2.5. No, no. This is 5% per quarter. The actual rate is yes, 10%. Very good. Very good, beta. So per semi-annual. Okay. And now in this we have to like so basically it is 9 months, no? 6 months we will take the interest of 10%, but next 3 months will be the 5% only, no? Are you with me? Because the next 6 months is not full 6 months, it's a half of 6 months. So we'll get another formula gonna be look like this. Amount is equals to P into 1 upon R upon 100 and because only one time and 1 plus small r upon 100 which is also one time only we are playing. Are you with me, guys? Say yes or no. Okay, why I wrote here 2? Because this is for the 6 months and this is for the 3 months. In that 3 months, the rate will become 5%. Got it, Christiana? So amount is equals to P is X into 1 plus 10 upon 100, 1 plus 5 upon 100. So it will become amount is equals to X, sorry, X into 110 upon 100 and 105 upon 100. So amount is equals to 110 into 105 X upon 100 square. So this is the amount half filled. I'm not solving after that. Now I will put the value of amount quarterly and amount half yearly into this for
Uh,
more
I have a
solving.
question.
Yes, beta. Please, beta.
So why can we not simplify it 105 upon 100 to 21 upon 20?
Because see, the thing is, when I will put the value, I have like I can take common because I can see this is also 105, this is also 105, this is also 100, this is also 100. So for see, whenever you are solving the questions, try to make out as many as commons because for that you can solve it easy. So instead of making complex, yes, you can simplify it. The simplification doing is not wrong. You can do it. Okay, if you are comfortable in that, you can simplify it and then you can subtract them. Okay, you can multiply them and you can subtract them. That it's no problem. But I prefer like I am use this method of taking out the common. Why? The reason of that also that when you will multiply it and then divide it, there is a risk of division error or the multiplication error. Hmm? So if you are taking out the common, you are simplifying it, so that risk will reduce. So you guys can do it, but like I prefer this method only. Did you understand? No.
Yes, I understood.
Okay, so AQ minus AH is equals to 210. Now I will put the value. So AQ is 105 cube upon 100 cube x minus AH is 100. This is the one term minus 110 into 105 upon 100 square x, and this is equals to 210. Now who will tell me what common I can make it out? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? I'll go to the Abraham. Abraham, can you see a common in this?
So
What
105,
common? Yes, yes. Sorry. Say it again, beta.
105.
So 105 will come out, and can you take out this x also? Okay. And in the denominator,
The 100.
100 square because 100 square will come. No. Everyone got this? How Abraham make out the common? No, Christiana. Did you understand, beta?
What about the cube one? Like,
I have a
Now
question.
yeah,
This is
we'll solve that, and inside one will solve it. But I want to ask you, did you understood how the square came out? Because the maximum is 2, na? So this whole 2 will come
yeah.
out. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, yes, Abraham.
but so isn't it minus sign?
Yeah, the minus sign is there. No, we will solve. We will write the inside part right now. I didn't write anything. Inside part I didn't write it, but I just want you guys to understand that what common we took out. Like it is 105 cube is there and this 105 is there. So 105 came out like this, x and x came out like this, and 100 square came out like this. Now we'll write the inside one. So
So
Abraham, can
we
you tell me what is? Yes, Abraham.
can take out like that.
Sorry.
So we can take out 105x and 100 square like that.
Yeah, because they are in multiplication, no? So we can make it out and make out common so that the calculation becomes easy for us.
Okay, so
Okay, now tell me, in the first, this is the first bracket, no? So in this first bracket, like 305 was there. Out of that, one is out. So what will remain behind? Tell me, Abraham. You're mute.
just 105.
105 is out. So how many 105 will be there in the first?
So just give me
Say it
1 minute.
again.
So just give
Oh,
me
okay,
one
okay.
minute.
Okay, 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 okay. Then I'll come back to Christiana. Christiana, What will come in the first? Like cube is there, and did you get my point, Christiana?
So the cube is there. So only 3, right?
See,
100.
it is. Say it again.
So 105, we have to like take it 3 times.
See, 105 into 105 into 105 was there, and
Yeah.
minus it was like 105 into 110 was there. Okay. Now this 105 and this 105 is went to for the common. Okay, like this. Okay. So how many 105 is there? Only
2.
two, na. So what
Yeah.
it will be? It will be 105 square, because 105 into 105 is 105 square. Did you understand how I make out common? And in the denominator, tell me.
So
So
denominator,
so it's like 100 into 100 into sorry, 100 into 100 into 100 was there, and minus 100 into 100 was there. So this two are out. So as well as this two are also out. So what will remain behind?
just 100.
Only 100, no? So like this. Did you understand? No. And in the second bracket, what is left behind? Yes, Christiana.
1 not
Yes,
10.
1 not 10. And in the denominator, nothing is there, because 100 power 2 is out. No, so I'll write 1. Yes, somebody is saying something. Yes, guys. Who's saying something? Nobody's saying something. So 105 into 105 is 11025. So it's gonna be look like this: 105 x upon 100 square is 11025 minus 11000 upon 100. Okay, it's equals to 210. Okay, so 105 upon 100 square into x. So it will be 25 upon 100 is equals to 210. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So now those are in the denominator, will go to that side, become multiply. It will be 210 into 4 into 100 square upon 100 into, no, not 100, upon 105, upon 105. Correct? Okay, so 105 ones are 105 twos are. So x is equals to 8 into 100 into 100. So x is equals to 800 into 800, it will become 80,000. This is the answer. Got it, everyone? Say yes or no.
So
Agatha,
there,
David. Yes.
there are other ways of solving this, right?
No, yesterday one. No, yesterday which we did. That only I'm solving.
Yeah, I mean like the other ways of solving this question, like I used another way.
You use another way. Yeah, tell me how.
Um, so I took T as 9 months, and since it's quarterly, I took NT as wait. Yeah, first I was um looking at half yearly, so NT. Then I used that formula which we use for half yearly, P plus 1 plus 10 by 100. Because since it's half yearly, I took 10 as the rate. And then when I saw, and then I did like this: a equals p times 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power of 1 times 1 plus 10 by 100 1 by
How?
2.
So instead of that, root of 5. How will you solve the power half? Tell me, Agatha.
Well,
Okay.
because since it's
Huh. Hmm. Because this is
since it's like, well, half of the months, we just put half there, right?
this anti you wrote half.
No, for the first 1 year, I took
Hmm.
one, and then the next I took half.
Means for first 6 months you took one, and the next 3 months you took half.
Yeah.
So you got the same answer.
Yeah.
Uh, you saw from guide, no?
Well, I looked a bit into guide, found took a bit of the lead from there, then solved it from there.
But like in your book, there's an example, and in that example, they are following this way only. So now I am in confused, not in doubt. See, the book way is the easiest way, which I found, and um, uh, just follow this also. You keep that both in mind. If it is come, then you can write that also, and you can write this also. Okay. Now we'll do one question.
So could you wait like I'm like
Sorry.
writing.
Okay, okay. You guys write it down. I'm just writing down the question. Tell me when you're done. Okay. Tell me when you're done. Done writing. Turn on the camera, everyone. Betya, David. Don't turn off the camera, beta. Done? No. Put your write it down.
So I have a question, can I ask?
Yes.
Like 105 square by 100, then minus 110 by 1, how it came?
Okay. Like 105 was a common, no?
Okay.
So out of this, 105 is spent. Like it's go for a common. So what is left behind? Only 100.
Yeah.
And in the denominator, this 100 square is a common. So means this whole 100 square is out. So if nothing is there, we consider as a 1.
Okay.
Okay, and 105 square is this. And I took an
Okay.
LCM, so 20 will came, so it become 100 like this.
Okay, sir.
Then I solve it.
I got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Done? Guys, done? Done the writing part? No? Quickly solve this. Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest for 1.5 years at 4% per annum for a sum of 24,000 when the interest is compounded semi-annually. We have to find the difference. So means we have to first calculate the simple interest, then we have to calculate the compound interest, we have to subtract them. Simple as that. Did you understand? No. So first we'll calculate the simple interest because it is very simple. So I will write simple interest. Now, simple interest does not depend upon compounded annually or compounded semi-annually. So we'll simply write what is P? What is P? Principal. Anybody can unmute and tell how much principal is there?
So 2004. No, 24,000.
24,000. And what is rate
Rate is
per
4%.
annum? And how much time is there? 1.5 means 3/2 years. Now, what is the formula for simple interest? Simple interest formula is P into R into T by 100. Now, P is 24,000. R is 4. And the time is 3/2 upon 100. This and this will cut. This one's are, this two's are. So 240 into 6. So it will become 0, 4, and then 2. 0, 6, 0, 4, 2, and then 1440. So this much interest he got in simple interest. Okay, now we have to calculate the compound interest also. So what is the formula for compound interest? A is equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100. Now in this, the rate will become half because per annum is there. Are you with me, guys? No. The rate will become how much? 2%. Okay. So amount is equals to principal is 24,000 and the rate is 2% into how, what is the value of NT? What is the value of NT? Quickly tell me.
3.
3. Why 3? Because compounded semi-annually and for 1.5 years. So 6 months, then 6 months, then 6 months. Did you understand, guys? So A will be 24,000 into 102 upon 100 as the power of 3. So amount is equals to 24,000 into 102 upon 100 into 102 upon 100. This 20 and this 20 will cut. Okay. Rest 10 and this 10 will cut. So we got 24 into 102 into 102 upon 10. Okay. So amount will be, we have to multiply. So into one more time, no? 3 is there, no? 102 upon 100. So one more 102 and one more 100 will come. Means it becomes 1000. 10, 100, that's 1000. Did you understand, guys? Ask me, guys. Ask me, please. So 102 into 102 into 102 into 24. 25468,992. 25468. 25468,992 divided by 1000. So this will be this will be this will be this, and then it will go become point. So amount will become 25,468.92. Now this is the amount. We have to calculate the compound interest. So we know that amount formula is principal plus compound interest. So amount is 25,469 is equals to principal is 24,000 plus CI. It will minus. So 25,469 is minus 24,000 is equals to CI. So 1,500, sorry, 1,469 is the compound interest. Now we have to find the difference between simple interest and compound interest. So compound interest minus simple interest. So compound interest is 1,469 minus simple interest is 1,440. So the answer will be 29. This is the answer. Everyone got this?
So, like in
Yes.
the SI part, P into R into T by 100,
Hmm.
like 24,000 into 4 into 3. So you cut it 2 and made it 1. Then 4, you cut it into 2. So that 2, it would be 1 now. Like the
This two is one, no?
yeah. So the upper one, the 4 you made 2. So that 2 it wouldn't be 1. Yeah.
No, no. See, the two zeros are there. Two zeros
Okay.
are there. I cut with this two zero. Now two ones are two, twos are four. Now denominator nothing is there. So 240
Okay.
into 2 into 3, 2 to the 6. So 240 into 6, I got the answer.
Okay, okay.
And then I solve the amount, I got the compound interest, and then I subtract the simple interest and compound interest because they are asking for the difference only. Yes, who didn't understand? Ask me.
Sir, is and how do you take NTS 3? Oh yeah, got it. So NT
Sorry?
means time. Okay, so NT means 3 times per year. The compounded, having compounded, right?
No, no, three times means like NT means like how many times you will apply the interest. Put this in your mind. Like every 6 months you are applying the interest now for 1.5 years. So 6 months, then 6 months, and then 6 months. Okay, then
So I have a doubt.
please.
Why didn't we take the cube of 102 upon 100?
This one.
No, like up one. Like we supposed to take the cube, right? Like like take the prime factorization and cube and all.
No, no. See, listen. When you are finding rate and time, then you have to do that cube root wala part. Okay, that taking cube root and all. But when we are not doing, we are simplifying the compound interest. We are subtracting with a simple interest to get the answer. So we no need. Got got it my point? Guys, if you didn't understand, please ask me. Don't remain clueless. Okay, this is the homework. This is the homework. So in Tamil like says 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, and in the CYP question number 6.
How much time
Okay?
was?
Huh?
How much time will you give us?
How much time? Tomorrow?
I mean, it's a lot of questions.
There is no lot of question because in our Old Testament, Lot and Abraham was separated. Now we have Abraham. So Lot is in another city. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, na? ठीक है. Okay. So these are the questions. Okay. Now you guys have 2 minutes break. Come back. We'll start the science. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, come back. We have a good break. Now come back quickly, quickly come back. So in science, we were doing yesterday that we did that part. Okay, all the diagrams are done. Now today we will start the uses of
Uses of
concave and convex lens. Correct. Agatha, you have to remind me. What are you doing?
Sir, remind you of
Okay.
what?
Hmm?
Remind you of what?
That where we have to start.
Oh.
You are the class monitor, yeah? Online class monitor. When I'm not there in the class, there is nobody speaking because you are the class. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so now the thing is uses of concave lens and convex lens. So we'll learn this. Now, vision correction myopia. Okay, now listen, this is the important thing. Myopia is the condition of the eye that like for example, I am a myopic person because I can see the object or the written word which is near to my eyes clearly. But those letter which is far away from me, I need a specs for. Okay, so means the far object is not clearly visible. Nearsightedness means nearly seen good. Now, who has myopic eyes? Petya, do you have myopic eyes? Yes. Betya cannot see the object or the word which is written on the notebook also. No notebook she can see, but not that much far. Okay. Like, for example, Betya, how many fingers are there? Say.
Five.
No, see, she can't see that. This is four fingers and one
Oh,
thumb.
four fingers, one thumb.
No, 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 no. Now it's done. Now it's done. Okay, so basically, the thing is, this is called as myopic eye. She can't see like which is very far away. Okay, so myopic eyes are the eyes which a person can see the near object clearly, but far object not clearly. Okay. Now, for the myopic eyes, the person, like for example, Vetya is wearing that specs, that lens is made up of concave lens. Okay, that lens is made up of concave lens, myopic eyes. Hmm? And the convex is for hypermetropic eye. Hypermetropic eye is those who cannot read the near object clearly, but far object they can see clearly. Okay, so that is called as hypermetropic eye, and in that case we use convex lens. In that specs, they will also wear the specs, and their specs is convex lens. Now for general knowledge, the person I guess you have heard I have -2 in this size, -1 in this size. That all is myopic eye. And sometimes you have heard the person is saying I have +4, +2 in this eye, +1 in this eye. So plus is hypermetropic. For one more reference to understand, we know that in convex lens, focal length is always positive.
Yes.
Focal length is always positive in convex lens. So that is why it's convex lens. And in concave lens, focal length is always negative. So it's myopic. Did you understand? Abraham, Agatha, David. Second use. Second use for concave lenses in binoculars, telescopes, fine-tune focus, widen the view of the field. Like in binoculars, we use concave lens for wider view. In like in our mobile, there's a wide camera is there, wide view camera is there. So for that wide view camera, we use this thing. So basically, we use their convex concave lens. Okay, then yeah, door door peepholes. Wow, what a name. Door peepholes yani means when when you will check that who is standing outside your house, there is one hole is there, and inside that hole, if you will put one eye like this, like Pirates of Caribbean, then you will see the wider view of the outside the door. Okay, so that wider view is achievable by the concave lens. Laser equipment. In laser equipment and scanning, we use concave lens so that we can put everything, we can clear all the part of the eye. Flashlight. Flashlight, we use concave mirror and concave lens also. Both. Concave mirror, how? Like for example, this is the bulb, and this mirror are concave mirror so that they can be this thing converge to one point, and here we use concave mirror also so that it will little bit diverges so that maximum area we can see.
The
Yes,
the diagram you just made, I don't understand a single thing.
see, this is a bulb. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
this part is concave mirror. Okay, why concave mirror is there? For example, the bulb emits the light in all direction.
Yes.
That will go and go to a one point
Okay.
like this. And the kaach, the mirror or the glass in front of torch is a concave lens, so that when it will go, it will have a wider area. It can cover the wider area like this.
So it's not touching, right?
Yeah, it's not touching because we get wider area. Na? If it is only one point, then we have to take torch to the one point of this point, this point, this point. If it's
So
little
if
wider,
it's
then it will be easy for us. No?
so if it's the mirror, we will have like lesser space, and if it's the lens, when we use the lens, we have the wider space.
Wider view, and mirror is for converging that light to a point.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Next one is vision correction done. Magnifying glass. Yes, magnifying glass we use convex lens. Now some you guys will say, sir, in convex lens we always get only real and inverted image. If I will use magnifying glass and if I will see the thing, I will get everything ulta. No. What was the last case? The last case was
Last
when you
case
will
in
put an
front of
object
image.
between it. When you will no,
In
I'm talking about convex lens, not concave lens. You're confused.
oh,
In convex lens, if we will put between O and F one, then you will get image enlarged. So you will get a virtual image as well as the big image, so that you can see the object clearly. Okay.
so
In
which one was that
last case
image
of the
one?
convex,
The one between F1 and O?
hmm.
Okay.
So so when you are using magnifying glass, you can't see like this. You have to put that lens near to the object to get the magnified image. Did you understand? Magnified and clear image. Now, camera and projector. Yes, we use camera and projector so that the projector and camera can create that big image and large image and in one point and fine details also. And in microscope and telescope, we use this convex lens. So write it down. This one uses of convex lens in the copy. Put write it down. This thing. Very good.
So for a telescope, we need both convex and concave.
In telescope, we use only convex lens, and in binoculars, we use this thing, concave lens. And microscope and telescope means the microscope that in the lab which we used to find. That we used as a convex lens. Okay.
So
Got it?
yeah, so like I have a microscope here at home, not a like something as an experiment. While cleaning it, I dropped a glass. If I buy a convex lens of the same size, I can fix it, right?
Yes, but thank you for saying that. I'll talk to your father. I mean, you should get be scolded, no? I mean, you're broken the microscope, expensive one. Okay. Write down quickly. Done? Done with the writing?
We are not robots.
Oh, okay, okay. No, no, I saw that AI robots were. Abraham, are you writing this? No? This picture, write it down, beta. Abraham, this one. Quickly write it down, quickly, quickly. I'm giving you 3 minutes.
I didn't write anything, so you drew on the laser, so it just disappeared.
Yeah, this one. This thing you have to write. This whole thing. Whole picture you have to write it down. Quickly. Christiana, Vidya, Miracle, turn the camera, please. Anybody
So,
has specs? Yes.
so when you say like laser equipment, what does that mean?
I didn't say laser.
No, uses of concave lenses. There is like laser equipment. What is that?
Laser equipment. Laser equipment is basically the scanner. Like for example, there is that machine. No, when COVID was there, used to find that temperature. What was the name?
Thermometer.
No,
So
that medical device was there.
I know what it is.
Yes.
I have it at home, sir.
What is that?
It's a thermometer, sir. But when it doesn't go in your body, sir, you just put it on it and it emits a laser light or something, and then it checks the temperature.
Yeah, yeah, that we
Oh,
use
that
it.
one. That one.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
Agatha.
Is there another way to know which is a concave or convex lens, like without applying a laser beam? Like if we take it in a dark room and put a torch, then will we see the same effects and no?
Like concave and convex will enhance it. We can see it, but not clearly. So for enhancing and for more clear picture, we need a lens, and the lens we can use concave and convex based on the use.
No, I mean like can we use a beam to test which is concave or convex, or just a torch?
No, no. Say it again.
I mean like can we use a beam other than a beam? Can we also use a torch?
Yeah, torch has concave lens, no?
Yeah, but like we have a concave and a convex lens here, so like to test which one is which, can we apply? Can we just turn on a torch and check?
You want the video to see.
No, no, not that. Look, I have some concave and convex lenses here. I want to test.
Okay.
I want to test which is which. So I don't have a beam. So can I use a torch to check instead?
No, you need a beam. Because torch will not give that much effect which beam will give. So you can check. Okay, so for that you have like dark room, and the torch is also some like it's not that much diverged. We need some normal light which is concentrated to beam.
No, but I think you can get a laser beam, so for a bit cheap, I think so.
Yeah, laser beam. You can finally you can get it.
You find it in toy shops now also.
Yeah. So who has myopic eyes? Like I am myopic. Anybody else? David also
So then,
I saw sometime he were wearing specs.
sir, if you're myopic,
Sir,
where is the
those
glasses?
specs don't have numbers, sir. It's not number
Okay,
spec.
okay. No,
He doesn't
mine
uses it
is
much.
Yeah, that is like it's not that much. 0.8.
Ah, I have to.
Ah,
I also have to. I only use it when my head is aching. So
I
yeah.
have myopic eyes. Like,
How much number?
I forgot. Was something kind of 0 point or something.
Ah.
Sir, I have
Okay,
already
done.
bad
Yeah.
in glasses.
Which glasses?
The cooling ones, the sunglasses.
Sunglasses. Sunglasses like no numbers there, so we can use normal glasses. Okay, done. Done with the writing. If you're done, then we'll start the next topic quickly. Tell me.
No, sir.
so I didn't finish it, but I took a screenshot so that I can write later.
Mhm. I'm giving 1 more minute. Quickly do it.
Agatha, how do you do this so fast?
Simple. Why he teaches, just do it.
So
Thank
you're
you,
not
Agatha, for
obeying
telling me the
him.
secret. For telling me the
So
secret.
you're not obeying him.
Very well, very well. No, no. Okay. Now we'll understand. Now put a heading: sign convention in a lens.
No, we did sign conversion in mirror also, right?
Yeah. So we did the mirror part. Now we are doing the lens part. Listen. So now, guys, please hold your hands and listen. Okay. So basically, we have two types of lens. Are there. This lens is concave lens. This is optical center. A line passing through optical center is called as principal axis. Hmm? And and this is basically focus f1 and this is basically f2 and no 2f1. This is f2 and this is 2f. So same thing is there. Where, like you guys will place object here. So we'll take it as negative. So here also we have three terms. First is u, same as mirror. So first has we u, which is called as object distance. Then we have v, which is called as image distance. Then we have f, which is called as focal length. So we have three things: u, v, and f. Did you understand? Say yes or no? Hmm? Now, u is object distance. So obviously, I will put an object on the left side. So the side of that object distance is always negative. So in first five case of convex lens, because six cases are there, no? So for the first five case, u will be always negative. Okay, u will be always negative. Now, if you will check first five case, Christian, I will ask, if you will take out that diagram, that six diagram that we make, and if you will check, so which side focal length you used? This f1 and O side or f2 or O side?
Could you repeat the question? Sir?
I'm saying, uncle, oh, what is this? Uncle, oh. No, 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 no. I heard that. No, no, no. Okay, listen. So if we are using if we are using convex lens. Okay, convex lens. They make that diagram. Check the diagram of that convex lens. We have six diagrams, no? We have six diagram in convex lens. So which focal length we were using? F1 and O focal length or F2 or O focal length?
For the object,
The object is here only. We make when five diagram. So like we are taking parallel to the principal axis, then we go to focus. So obviously we are using this focal length only, no?
yeah.
So it means that the focal length will be positive because it is other side of the equation. Do you understand?
So in the first five cases, U is negative and then
U is
F is
always
positive.
negative, F is positive. Abraham, did you understand? Abraham, did you understand?
In front of the mirror, it will always be negative, right? Like even
Read. Yeah, say it again.
so in front of the mirror, is it always negative even in lens?
Yeah, in the lens also. Like if I'm putting object here, so if the image is here only, then the image distance also negative. But in the first five cases, we always get image on the other side of the lens, like here. Light, infinity at f2, beyond 2f1 at f2 and with 2f2, at 2f1 at 2f2, then between 2f1 and f1, then beyond this, and then it's infinity. So basically, we always get image here only. So it means that the V is always positive for the first five cases. Did you understand? No, Abraham. Now Abraham will tell me the sixth case story. So now the sixth one, Abraham. What will be the U? Is it will be positive or negative? U is the object distance. Yes.
So you will be positive.
U, remember, U is always negative.
You is
Always negative. So because you are putting U, which is object distance here, no? You are putting object here, no? And U is considered as object distance. So object distance is always negative, no matter which lens or which mirror is there. So U will be always negative. Now, which focal length we used in making the sixth case? You have the diagram of sixth case, Abraham? Do you have any diagram of sixth case of a convex lens? Can you quickly check it?
this.
The sixth, say it again.
So I think I have a diagram, sir.
Yeah. So sixth case, what is the sixth case? The sixth case is when you put an object between F1 and O in convex lens. Do you have?
Can you
When you put an
maybe
object
draw?
between F1 and 1, so
Uh,
um, so then you have to draw one line, a parallel line.
mhm.
You have to draw one parallel line, and
Okay, then parallel will go through this focus.
yeah, and then so it has to cut F2.
Yeah, so means we are using this focal length, na? Which is the other side of the lens.
So
So
it
the
will,
F will be positive or negative.
so this will be positive. The line.
Very good. F will be positive. Now,
So
where we get image, just let me complete, then I will take it out later.
Comes on the negative side.
Yes, why? Because you put an object here and you get the image here only. So the image distance, which is V, it will be also negative. Did you understand? Yes, now Nidhi, you tell me, beta.
so can you maybe draw the sixth case one more
Sixth
time?
case is like putting here a line parallel to the principal axis will go through focus. Then a line which is going through optical center will remain optical center. We have to extend this line. We get the image here. Like that.
Um, Where do we get the image? To
Here we
F1.
no beyond like at the same side of the lens. It is not necessary that it is 2f1. It can be here also. It can be here also. But it's the same side of the lens. Where you put an object, there only you will get the image.
Okay.
Okay. So but the thing is, in this case, the V will also negative because you put an object here and you are getting the image here only. That is. Now, if I will talk about the concave lens, concave lens, this is concave lens, this is optical center. A line passing through optical center is called as principal axis.
Principal
This
axis.
is f1 and this is f2 f1. This one is f2 and this one is 2f. So in this case, we or like u is always negative. I told you before also. U is always negative. Now I'll ask this question from Miraculin. Miraculin, which focal length we used in concave lens? This one, which is f2 and O, or f1 and O? Which focal length we use?
Um,
Like a
like
line is parallel to the principal axis, will diverge in this way. So we have to extend
yeah,
this line. So which
To
focal
F,
length we
yeah,
use?
like the F1, the behind one, the
So
minus
the focal will be the focus will be focal length will be negative, no?
negative.
And where we get image in both the cases,
Uh, both the cases we got the image at
same side of the object
possible.
where you place. No, no.
Yeah.
You always get image also here only, no? Virtual and erect.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So V will be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Okay. So on the top of your copy, please mention this convex lens focal length is always is always positive. Okay, and concave lens focal length is always negative. Got it, everyone? Everyone got it? Say yes or no. Agatha, David, Christiana.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please mention this thing on the top of your copy. This is important line because in the next coming topic we will use this only. Only lens we can take, say, no? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you are done, we'll end this class here only. Tomorrow we'll do the lens formula, then magnification, then power of lens. So maybe by tomorrow or more to more by Friday, we'll complete this chapter, this light chapter. And then next Friday, you guys will have test. Okay, not this Friday. Next Friday,
Okay.
you guys will have a
Okay.
test of this whole chapter. Okay, so please be prepared. Agatha,
Okay.
our class monitor, please mention this in the group. Okay, tagging every name. Okay, saying Christiana and David, and saying that we will have test next Friday. Okay,
So next Friday is 31st.
I guess 31st. Yes, my mom's birthday. So you guys will have because I
Okay.
will enjoy that. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Baba Shabaka. Sayonara. Tata. Bye.
Hi, Satan.
Bye bye.
One.